Ladies and gentlemen, after 5 rounds, we go to the judges' scorecards for a decision. The judges score the contest 49-46, 49-46, and 49-45 for the winner. And still, the undisputed UFC flyweight champion of the world, Demetrious Mighty Mouse Johnson!
Good job, buddy. Congrats, man.
The best pound-for-pound fighter in the world has now successfully defended that belt 9 times. Demetrious Johnson, tough 25-minute fight tonight. Congratulations, man.
Absolutely. After fight is at LAX. Shout out to my sponsors, Metro PCS. Check out Northern Gaming Esports. Join the Twitch, the Mighty Squad, www.twitch.tv/MightyMouse125. Yeah, man, Tim Elliott's a hell of a fighter. It's like wrestling a damn muskrat. Just have to neutralize him, man.
Well, you certainly did that. Top position, almost 20 minutes. You dominated with your grappling over the final 4 rounds. Round 1, though, let's go back to it. Had a guillotine. How close were you to going out?
I wasn't going out, man. I gave Herb Dean's like, hey, Herb, don't you stop this fight, damn it. Here's my thumbs up. And he goes, I got you, dog. So it was a tough first round, you know. Tim Elliott's a blitzer, you know, he has to blitz, get all over you. So I stayed composed like a champion, just relaxed and worked my way out of it. And I knew my grappling, when I watched him live, was going to be the best to be able to beat him.
1 win shy of tying Anderson's record that you have been chasing for so long. How does it feel?
Feels good, man. I get back to the gym with my coaches, Matt and Brad Kurtzen, the best coaches in the world. And thank you to all the AMC squad back at home, James, Jacob, Sean. You guys are amazing. And shout out to Tim Elliott, man. He deserves to be here.
An honor to watch you perform as usual. Ladies and gentlemen, the UFC flyweight champion, Demetrious Johnson. And we step over here, folks, and talk to a man. I know I speak for the entire crowd and the millions watching around the world. Tim Elliott's stock goes through the roof tonight, man. Congratulations on a hell of a performance, man.
Hey, thank you, sir. Man, I'm just a guy who loves to fight, and I love my daughter, and man, I'm just ready to get back to the next one.
So that first round, how close do you think you were to realizing this UFC flyweight title, man?
Man, I know I'm in there with anybody. I can compete. Even this fight, even though I was down when the time ran out, if it's a fight to the death, I beat everybody. I'm a little behind when the time runs out, that's all.
Your stock goes through the roof tonight. Do you feel like you gave DJ his toughest test in this flyweight championship title ring?
You know, I don't know about toughest. He's the best in the world, and I'm just happy to share the octagon with him.
And you're not far behind, sir. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it. Tim Elliott.